video. This is the first video where I'm fully using my voice, so I'm very excited for this video. In this video, I will attempt to take off and land on an aircraft carrier is the actual name. So now, let's get started. First, takeoff. I can't go too fast or too slow. I have to make sure I have just enough momentum to push forward into the takeoff and not fall. Alright, I managed to take off. Let's fly around for a bit and then come in for a landing. I might also do a few stunts just for fun. Like this. So I'm gonna fly a bit and then I'm gonna direct the plane towards landing. Right now the plane is going too fast to be landing on an aircraft carrier. Aircraft carrier functions like a floating airport. They function like floating airports do. Aircraft carriers are floating airports. If you want me to make a detailed video about aircraft carriers and floating airports in the future, then comment down below. But if we do start getting floating airports, we might just use aircraft carriers. Now they're mostly used for military operations, but in the future they might be used for commercial planes. Of course, the runway size must become bigger if they should be used for jumbo jets. So now we're getting prepared to head back to the aircraft carrier. I don't know why I said air traffic. Okay, we're about to stall. I don't like stalling. I don't like when a plane stalls. No. Okay, so I have to be careful about stunts because that made my airplane fall. Let's go back to the aircraft carrier. This time, let's not go too fast. I'll not go fast. I'll just go just enough speed so I can come in for a landing quickly. Let's do this plane. Alright. We have to make sure it stays at 6 for now. For takeoff, we need the speed to be much more than 6. With 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I think a bit more would be actually great for takeoff. Yep, more speed is needed for takeoff. All right. See how fast the speed can increase? So let's actually decrease the speed. I'm pressing S. We're also getting too high. Now keep in mind, planes cannot go too high and too fast at the same time, or else it will result in a stall, because planes, if you go too high, they will reach a limit and stall. Now I can't not come in for a landing right now. If I do, it will be an immediate